Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Excel. In this module, I want to show you how you can save different views for your spreadsheet. So on the screen, I have some schools, and you can see there's a list there, a small list, and I also have group and outline activated. So if I click on number one, it will collapse this down. If I click on number two there, it comes down to the totals and just the schools. And if I click on one again, it'll collapse it right down. Now if I put that back to 3 and 2, so it opens right up, I'll just go and show you how this works. So basically, whatever you want to collapse, you highlight the whole row, you go up to the Data tab, and then over on the right you've got Group in this group area. Click on Group, and then you'll get one of those little collapsible minuses. So I'll do that for all of these rows, so you can see how that works. And you can also do it for the columns as well. So if I highlight the columns like so, I can click on Group, and then these ones Group. So now I've got numbers across the top and down the side. If I click on number 1, that will collapse it down just to show me the totals, and then number 1 across the top will just show me the quarterly total and total. And again, you can just open these up by clicking on these little pluses to show that element. If I open that one up, it shows the first 3 months. If I open that one, it shows the next 3 months. And again, you can just use the numbers 2 and 2 fully expanded. Now what you can also do while you're doing that, and if I go back onto the other sheet, so if I go back onto the other sheet, example 3, I'll just make this a little bit bigger. You can collapse this in various states. So if I click on number 2, that's collapsed that down. And now you can go to the View tab and create what's called a custom view. And I'll just call this, you have to click on Add, and I'll just call this Summary. That's a summary view. Okay. And then I'll open this up to show Newcastle and create another view. So custom view, and then you go Add. I'll call this Newcastle. And then just close that one down. Open up the Sunderland one. Save that view as Sunderland. Custom view. Add. Sunderland. So you get the idea. You create, on a bigger spreadsheet, you can create quite a few views, and then click OK to that, and then collapse that down, and then open this. That's Sunderland as well. So open that. So I could have saved that as the actual school. So I should have saved this as Sunderland perhaps. So I will do that. I'll just save that as a school. I'll save that as Dent. So school. I want to look at Dent. So add. Call that Dent. Like so. So when you suss out what sort of views you want to save, that's what you do. You just open them up or close them down, however you want them, and then you create a view. So if I open this right up now, 2 and 3, I can go to custom views. For example, I can click on Dent and then go show, and it just collapses it all down already for me and just shows me that Dent view like so. I can go back to custom view and click on Newcastle, show Newcastle. So then it gets rid of the Sunderland one, shows me Newcastle, and then I can do the summary one, that one, show, and it'll just collapse everything out of the way and just show me the summary. So that's basically all I want to talk to you on this little video, how you can create different views when you've got group and outline activated, which I have, and you do that from the Data tab on the ribbon and then Group over on the right. It's in the outline area. group and outline. So hopefully that's of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.